Hello. Now this is the third neck I've ever made, so I'm not an expert. But in the previous ones, I've attempted to use this guide on the router and a board to set the distance, and cut like this. But it's really nerve-wracking because the router starts racking when you do this. So I could put a longer piece of wood attached to here, but I thought I'd make a jig. Let's see what I've got. So I've got two parts of a bed attached to an old shelf. I am using what I've got. And in here we'll go to neck. Line up with the centre line I've stuck on here. And the router, once I've removed that guide, will go up and down in a perfect straight line. That's the idea. Let's see how it goes. Actually, let's see how I got here first. And yes, I do need to put my electronics somewhere safe. This is the arrangement I've come with. We have a scrap piece of board. These bits come off of bed. But more importantly, this can now ride up and down once I fix it all together. And it's supported on both sides, so put it together and see how it goes. Bum-be-doop-be-doo, bum-bum-bum-bum-dee-doo. Doop-be-doop-be-doo. Right, so while you might have one of those fancy pneumatic nail guns or brad nailers, I've got a hammer. I'm just going to move this to my secondary workbench. Right, this guy's secure. Let's get the other one in place in the right place. First go. Right. There we go. Not sure if you can see what I was doing there, but it's all clamped in place, correct width. The clamps on the ends are to stop it drifting apart. But it travels nice and tight. If it needs adjusting, I can adjust it. Right, let's let dry that. Right, gone into extreme close-up mode. I'm going to secure this down with some double-sided tape. I'll see how it goes. Double check I don't have a ridiculous router bit in there. Nope. So before we go in for the extreme close-up, I have a couple of positive stops to stop my life being ruined when it goes too far past these marks. And I've set the depth stop. First pass is going to be quite pathetic. The second one I've measured, the cutter is all the way down now. So this is the gap between there and there. I won't go all the way down in one pass, but it's going to stop me going too far. Good luck to me. So I had to move the camera, but that's gone perfectly. Alright, some more passes now. Sadly, I wasn't filming that last bit, but that... Sadly, I wasn't filming that last bit, but that cut really well and really smooth. It's so much nicer routing into a hardwood than it is an old pine desk or some OSB. Okay. You also missed the bit where I had my my clipboard in front of the extractor. That's a good idea. Okay. I actually need to go a smidgen further this end. Rather than guessing what a smidgen is, I'll make a mark. And there we have it. And an extra bonus is that I'm going to use this now when I work out what the fretboard's going to be to bring that down to the correct thickness.